I started real estate in 2007. I was making a transition from another career. I was a geologist for almost 20 years and then started real estate right before the worst real estate market ever. So it was a little bit of a learning curve starting out. The market was really slow. There was a lot of mortgages underwater, and so it was a trying time, but it was actually a great time to start because I learned a lot of things about the market then, and it really helped me in my career in real estate and got me where I am now.